Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. In this video, we are going to look at Class 6 Maths Techno Exponents and Powers AM2 challenges. So let's begin. So challenges first question, express 3 into 3 into 3 into so on into 3 10 factors in exponential form. See, 3 is multiplied 10 times. That is what is given in the question. So how do you write? What number is multiplied first? 3 is multiplied. So write that as the base. How many times it is multiplied? 10 times. That is the index. That is the exponent. So 3 power 10 is the answer. That's it. Second question, y power 4 in product form. So y is multiplied 4 times. That is what is the information you understand from this, right? So y into y into y into y. That's it. Very simple. Now third question. Here what we are asked is write base and index of. So first minus 2 power 8. So what is the base? What is the index? See. So base here is clearly this one. Okay, minus 2 is the base. Now what is the index or exponent? That is this power, simply 8. Now here, what is the base? See, now you might think 4x is given, right? So whether it is 4 or x. See, bracket is kept in the sense for both of it the power is 9. That means 4x is the base and index is 9. Power is 9, right? That is what. Next question, fourth one is interesting question. Find the value of minus 1 power 1 plus minus 1 power 2 plus minus 1 power 3 plus minus 1 power 4 so on till minus 1 power 100. That is the very interesting part of the question. So let's try to understand how we will solve these kind of questions. See, in generalized way, we are supposed to use two formulae, that is minus 1 power odd is minus 1 and other one is minus 1 power even number is plus 1. So these two properties are discussed in aim 2 explanation video, that is put it in description. I have put it in description, check it out. So by using these two properties we are going to solve this problem. Okay, now look at here. Minus 1 power 1 is minus 1 and minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 power 4 is plus 1. Minus 1 power 5 will be again minus 1. So on till again what I'm going to do is here minus 1 power 99 is also there, right? Here 99 in this place. Yes, it is present actually. Plus minus 1 power 100. Now I'm repeating it. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 so on till what is minus 1 power 99? It is an odd number, right? 99. Here 9 is odd number. So entire number is odd. So it is minus 1. Minus 1 power 100 is plus 1. See, you observe one pattern. Here minus 1 plus 1. Right? Here negative number, positive number. Cancel, right? Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Again minus 1 plus 1. Here also next you will have minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. It will cancel it as a pair. In the last also you see minus 1 plus 1. So everything is getting cancelled and final answer is 0. 0 is the answer for this type of question. So you are supposed to understand pattern for this type of question. You should not do each and everything in this type of questions, okay? Understanding pattern is more important. Now fifth question we have, find the value of x cube minus 3 into x square plus 1 where when x is equal to minus 1. See, what you're supposed to do is instead of this x you're supposed to put minus 1 and solve this question. That's it, okay? Now we will do that here. So put x is equal to minus 1 first here so that you can understand it easily. So minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square plus 1. Okay, next step, you have minus 1 cube, that is minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 1 power even number is plus 1. So you all know this. Now, minus 1 power 3 is an odd number, right? So minus 1 only is the result. Minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 whole square is plus 1. It is even number, right? 2 is an even number. So 1 plus 1. Now, here, minus 1 minus 3. What is the answer? Minus 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So how minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4? See, when same signs are there, first what you should do, you should simply add them. See, minus 1 minus 3 means first add them. 1 plus 3 is 4. What is the sign of both? Minus 4. Okay, additions, integer addition, I hope you have studied it. If not, I'll brief it here once. See, if you have a 1 plus 2, what is the answer? See, both are positive numbers, right? Plus 1 plus 2. It's plus 3. Now you have minus 1 minus 2. See, same sign when you're having, no? What you're supposed to do is add, right? Plus 1 plus 2. First, what you're supposed to do? Add these two numbers, and same sign is that only you have to put here. That is what you will do. Similarly, minus 1 minus 2 is first add 1 plus 2. Then put the sign minus. Next, if you have a 2 minus 1, what you will do? Here plus 2 minus 1. See, first what you're supposed to do is, whatever is the sign of bigger number. What is the sign of bigger number here? First, what is the bigger number out of these two? 2 is the bigger number. So what is its sign? Plus. Then what you're supposed to do is do the subtraction. 2 minus 1. That is 1. When there are two different signs, you have to subtract it anyhow. Okay. But the sign of the number of the result is decided by the sign of the bigger number. Now if it is plus 1 minus 2, what you will do? Finally, you have to subtract only. For different signs, you have to subtract. Simply 2 minus 1 also you can do. What is 2 minus 1 is 1. But the sign is decided by the bigger number's sign. So bigger number is 2 and the sign is so minus. That's it. So in this way to do the integer addition and subtraction, right? So in that way only we have done that. Now continuing with our question. So minus 2 into minus 4 into 2 is minus 8, because here in the previous video I have told you, right? So this chart I have given in the previous videos. See here, this is a negative number multiplied with a positive number. So what is the resultant? A negative number. Okay, so that from this table. So I'll tell you shortcut to remember this chart. Remember it again. Already I have discussed it. Positive number into positive number, or negative number into negative number. That is, when two numbers having same sign are multiplied, you will get positive only as the resultant. That is, minus 2 into minus 2. You will get plus 4 only. Okay, that is the thing. Next, you have here when you have two different signs, that is positive number into negative number, or negative number multiplied with positive number, you will get negative as the answer. So that is how you have to remember it. Now talking about this question, minus 8 is the final answer. Even though only this was a concept which we need from this, the prerequisite knowledge was all this. Okay, that also I've explained it. Integer addition and subtraction you need to know. This multiplication chart you need to know. Only then you can solve this question very easily. This formula is only we have studied in this concept. But integers knowledge is also very, very important in order to do this question. Okay. Now, sixth question is write the exponential form of. There are 4 bits here. See, first bit is 16. 16 is nothing but 4 square. We know this. Oh, you might not know is you will study in squares and square roots chapter and cubes and cube roots chapter, which we will study in higher classes like 7th or 8th. It's okay, I'll tell you how to do this even though. See, first I'll tell the shortcut, then I'll tell you the long process, because you might be knowing only the long process by now. 4 square is 16 and 2 square is 4. So 2 square whole square is 2 power 4. Now I'll tell you the shortcut. I mean long process which you have to do right now in order to solve. Do the prime factorization. So that method I hope you all know by this time. Do prime factorization. Finally, this is the answer, right? So you can do the prime factorization. 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 4. That's it. Simply 2 power 4. Now you can also write it as, see, 2, this 2 into 2 is 4, right? This 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 square also you can write it. That's how it has come. I wrote shortcuts, right? That's how they came. Okay. Next question is 625. 625 simply I can tell it as 25 square actually. And 25 is 5 square, whole square is 5 power 4. Now in this way you might not understand. Do the prime factorization for 625 quickly. 625. 5. 5 ones are 5. Here 1. 5 twos are 10. Here 2. 5 fives are 25. In this way you are supposed to do the prime factorization. I hope you know. Next 5 twos are 10. Here 2. 5 fives are 25. Next 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5. So it is 5 into 5. From here look at it. 4 fives are there. Into 5. So it is simply 5 power 4. Or else 5 into 5 25. 5 into 5 25. 25 into 25 25 square. 25 square. Next for 81. 81 can be written as 9 square. And 9 can be written as 3 square. So 3 square whole square is 3 power 4. So now how you have to do is do the prime factorization. So now how you can do in this way is after only doing aim 3 and aim 4. After learning aim 3 and 4, I'm sure you can write it in this way very easily. You also can do it in this way. But not right now. Right now only method you can do is prime factorization. 3 with 3 table. 3 twos are 6. 2 is left out. 3 sevens are 21. 3 nines are 27. 3 threes are 9. And 3 ones are 3. So it is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right? This is the final thing. So it is 3 power 4. Now 3 into 3 can be written as 9. Again this 3 into 3 also can be written as 9. So it is 9 square. Next question 343 is 7 cube actually. Directly we can say. Now I'll do the prime factorization. 343. 7 4s are 28 and you are left with 6 here. So it is 9. 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. So it is 7 into 7 into 7. So it is 7 cube. Now again this type of question you have seen, right? Find the value of 1 plus x power 92 into 1 minus x power 141 where x is equal to minus 1. So put x is equal to minus 1 and solve it. First 1 plus minus 1 power 92 into 1 minus minus 1 power 141. Same rule again we are using. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1 and minus 1 power even is plus 1. This rule only we are using again here also. You see 1 plus minus 1 power 92. 92 here ending with 2. So it is an even number. So plus 1. 1 minus minus 1 power 141. So it is ending with 1. It is an odd number. So you will get answer as minus 1. Right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1. So here plus minus into minus is plus. So 1 plus 1. Right? Minus into minus is plus. So it is 1 plus 1. So 2 into. So 1 plus 1 is also 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So the final answer is 4. Clear? Now, eighth question, find the value of minus a power 24 plus minus a power 17 plus minus a power 521, where a is equal to plus 1. Okay, see here carefully. So look at this here, minus a is 1, so minus 1 only finally. Okay, minus 1 power 24 plus minus 1 power 17 plus minus 1 power 521. Again, we are going to use the same rule. Okay, so minus 1 power 24. This is an even number, right? This 24 is an even number. So it is plus 1 only you are going to get, plus minus 1 power 17. It is an odd number, so we will get minus 1, and minus 1 power 521 is also odd number, you will get minus 1. So 1 minus 1 0 and minus 1 is left out, that is the final answer. Now ninth question, if a is equal to 3, b is equal to 7, then what is the value of a power b minus b power a? See here, a value is given already, so put it here. B value is also given, put it here, put it here. Okay, you have to substitute all the values and then solve. You should find the value, that means final number you should find out. How much ever big the calculation is, you have to solve it and do it. Let's do. So a power b, that is a is 3, power b 3 power 7 minus b power b is 7 power a is 3. This is what you have to solve actually. Now the biggest task is finding the 3 power 7 only. I'll tell you how to solve it. First we will find what is 3 power 7 and 7 power 3. First we will do those things, then we'll come back and solve this question. Now 3 power 7 means 3 multiplied how many times? 7 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. See whether it is 3, yes, 7 times correctly. Okay, now see, I'm pairing up here 3 square into 3 square into 3 square into lastly 1 3 is left out. Okay, nothing I've done, just multiplying it. 9 into 9 into 9 into 3. Okay, now 9 9s are is 81, 9 3s are is 27. Now we have to multiply this. Now I'm using Vedic mathematics or tricks. Okay, if you need that tricks, it is available in our channel only. 10 videos will be there totally. 10 chapters we have discussed relating to Vedic mathematics. So I'm going to use those methods and multiply. I will put that also in the description. Don't forget to watch them also. It will be very beneficial in calculation. See, now I'm going to do calculation very simply. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Vedic mathematics calculations. First, 8 2s is 16. In this way I'm doing first. 8 2s is 16. Slash slash. First I divide in 3 columns like this. Next what I'm doing is cross. 8 7s are 56. 2 1s is 2. What is it? 58. I'm writing that in the second box. 58. And 7 1s is 7. I'm writing in last. 7, 8 and 16 plus 5 is 21. 2 8 8 7 is the answer. See, you are going to save a lot of time here. I'm explaining it, that is why it took a lot of time, but you can do this in seconds. So don't miss Vedic mathematics videos which are present in our channel already. Okay, I will put them in description. Don't forget to check them out. You will save a lot of time. I'm telling you, you're in 6th class, you can use them till your 10th intermediate, 11th and 12th. They're going to be very very beneficial. So the resultant is 2187. Next 7 cube we have to find out. 7 cube is 7 into 7 into 7. 49 into 7. 7 7 is 49, right? So it is 343 actually. I've seen in one question, right, just now. 343. Or else if you want to do, you can simply do it also. 7 9s are 63. 6 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6 is 34. 343. Now since we know these values, put them here. 2187 minus 343. Just subtract this, you will get the answer as 1844. Now the subtraction also there is a shortcut. These are explained in again Vedic mathematics video. What is that shortcut? I'll explain. 2187 minus 343, right? You're going to subtract it from this side using Vedic mathematics. Very, very simple. 2, 1 minus 3 is 2, right? 2 bar because it is a reverse order. 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now here you have bar, so subtract 1 from this 1. 10 minus 2 is 8. And here 4, 4. That's it. It's very simple, right? Our regular subtraction techniques are very lengthy and you have to do cancellations. Here you can do very simple way. You might not understand it deeply here, but if you see our video, it will be crystal clear. So with this we come to the end of our challenges of aim 2. In next videos we will be seeing packages and completing the same. So that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Okay, do like, share and subscribe to Vishwablooms. So do support us, and also you can actually learn the Vedic maths videos. Okay, do check them out, it will be helpful for you. I'll put it in the description, check it. And if you want aim 1, aim 2, all the videos are kept in description and the playlist will be also tagged there, so you can check out that. So yeah, that's it for this video. Do comment your experience and whether you're able to understand it or not, do comment it. And yeah, bye for now, see you in the next video.